Leave now. That is not a social media panic. That is not a rumor. That is an official advisory. And it is coming straight from the US Department of State. This time, the focus is Beirut, a city that has seen war before, a city that understands what regional escalation looks like. And now, American personnel are being told to reduce their presence over there. Here's what we know. Well, Washington has ordered the departure of non-emergency US government staff. Family members of American officials, well, they are authorized to leave. This is not a full embassy shutdown though, but it is a clear downgrade of normal operations, and that matters. Why? Because tensions between the US and Iran, they are rising again. At the center of it, US President Donald Trump and Iran Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei. And you know what the disagreement is? Iran's nuclear power. Washington says that if diplomacy fails, military actions remain on the table. Tehran says pressure will be answered with resistance. Now, that is not a soft language, that is strategic signaling. Now, look at the geography here. Lebanon shares influence lines with Iran backed groups. Now, any confrontation involving Iran could quickly involve actors across the region. Missiles do not respect borders, alliances, they do not stay silent at all. And embassies, well, they become the potential flag point. This is why evacuation orders, it really matters. Governments do not lightly move their diplomats. Now, such steps usually happen when intelligence suggests rising security risk, military moment is increasing, or retaliation scenarios are being considered. It does not mean war has started though, but it does mean risk assessments have changed. Wait, there's another layer here. The US has previously warned its citizens about travel to Lebanon due to political instability, armed group activity, and border tension. But this advisory, it feels sharp. It feels more urgent, more intimidate, more immediate, and this comes at a time when the US forces, they are already positioned across the Middle East. Naval assets, air bases, regional partnership. If conflict were to erupt, Lebanon's proximity to multiple war centers would make it strategically sensitive. For American citizens on the ground, the message is practical. Review your travel plans. Stay alert. Be prepared for any sudden change. Well, for investors, diplomats, and analysts, the message is strategic. Washington is preparing for any contingencies, but here's the political question. Is this a pre-war move or maybe a pressure tactic? Because sometimes evacuation advisories, they are meant to signal seriousness just to show that Washington is not bluffing. Sometimes they are simple precautions, and sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, they are the calm before escalation.